Let's graph this linear function. To do that, we want to press y equals, but we don't have y by itself, so let's solve for y. Put down a fence. On this side, these terms aren't like terms, we can't combine them, so let's just drop them down. On the other side, negative 1/3 times all this stuff. These parentheses tell me I'm multiplying, so I'm going to distribute. Negative 1/3 times 1x. Well, what's anything times 1? Itself. So I'm bringing the 1/3 down, multiplying it with x. There we go. Negative 1/3 times 6. Let's do that over here. Negative 1 divided by 3 times 6. We get negative 2. Alright, I'm not done yet. I still have to get rid of this negative 3. So the opposite of subtracting a 3 is adding a 3, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Negative 3 plus 3, that's 0. So now y is by itself. Okay, I can't just add it to one side, I have to do it to the other side. Who should I add it to? Which of these terms? This one has an x, so I can't add it to that one. This one doesn't have an x, so let's add it here. Negative 2 plus 3, that's going to give you 1. And I'm going to bring down the x term. There we go. So let's put this in the calculator. Y equals negative 1 divided by 3x plus 1. Let's make a table. Okay, there's a lot of ugly numbers. Let's just pick the nice ones. Let's start with 0, 1. What else is here? 3, 0. Negative 6. Sorry. 6, negative 1. Okay, these are my x's, these are my y's. So for this first point, 0, negative 6. This is a y. 0 is our x. So on the x-axis, I'm going to 0. My y is 1. So on the y-axis, I'm going up to 1. There's my first point. 3, 0. On the x-axis, I find 3. My y value is 0, so I don't go up or down. There's the point right there. Alright, next. 6, negative 1. On the x-axis, I go to 6. On the y-axis, I go down to negative 1. Do my points line up? Yes, they do. And we can check our graph by looking at the graph on the calculator. They look pretty darn similar. I think we did a good job. This next problem is yours. You need to graph it. So start by solving for y, and then make a table and see which one it matches up with.